You did a zongo. You did wait yourself. If you know me, and I pay yourself no buy house for you. The house you can't cash where you take buy. What nonsense with this? What nonsense with this? No, pay the cancer, you know be $50,000 you say they give you. When you can no money, when your eye can't open. Which fame carry your head where you won't behave like you see some fame, man, so you just feel say you get power. Which power be that? Which foolish power be that? See, if your fans they insult my wife, media they feel sleep, but you own you won't take go court. Cause the boy he write for your things I say you chop Abna Koko. Abna Koko no can talk say you chop him. Abna Koko no can call your name for a list of choppers. Abna Koko no can call your name. Or if you say that girl, she be dumb, man. Very intelligent girl. You both take advantage of this girl where he get in small issue. Everybody take plenty of you in the industry. Those radio presenters, TV, you both take advantage, chop the girl, including you. The girl can't call your name. If my fan go write that thing, they take jab you boy. But you never go sit radio talk say me man no buy her. Foolish boy. Nobody go beg anybody. If like keep the boy chew him, Webkid if he come, he be hero. He try. He fight for Shatta movement. You make him star if you don't know. If Webkid come, he go what you do, he go can't join my Shatta move. He go to work, he go to chop money, he go to see. What if he say you do? You make him superstar. Make Webkid he pass. The fight he show say he be loyal. See ya. Sometimes if I go, if me say if I not do anything, the police, then this one, then they can't arrest me and things. You know how the fans, some of the fans they feel. But we sacrifice our blood for this. Shatta Wale, the only artist way, cause crime for this country, but they arrest and pass any criminal. Today they arrest Shatta, tomorrow they arrest Shatta Wale, today they arrest Shatta Wale, tomorrow they arrest Shatta Wale. No, with no evidence. Foolish life. As you go report, nobody gets sense. They say, hey, your people today they insult Shatta and wife. So what is then you want one like something where if so with it, okay, if you do arrest your fan, you go catch time, nobody go come to your show. Because if your fans they see say you if you arrest other people fans, you be the same way you go if you arrest your own fan. You go get time, you go beg people make they come your show. Right now, if you beg, you just say people know they like come. It just sometimes somebody use pity love, they won't come your show. You what you do? Say something you know come like go fi come out. They like some guy be way he tell in pastor say if no be Jesus Christ like he go fi chop. But Jesus Christ can't die, he make people they chop. Jesus Christ can't die, he make pastors say they get something chop, they preach. If be there now they talk say Jesus is coming. If Jesus comes soon, pastor in work go spoil. So some of the pastors they pray say make Jesus no come. They pray for Jesus not to come. What kind of attitude is that? No, what kind of attitude is this? That we are in a modern world where an artist can wake up and arrest another artist's fan. Then okay, let me because Shatta there. No, Shatta you go do giddy giddy. Shatta go do giddy. Your mother. Shatta go do what giddy giddy. I have better things to think about. You understand me? Than arresting your fans. Your fans, some of them they are my fans. It's just that sometimes they go off. They won't go follow something. Yeah, so most of your fans, they are my fans. They are disappointed SM fans. Where they do all lame inside. They know they like you. That's why they know they stream your music. That's why your music, they go anywhere. They use travel, they cover people, them highlight. You are doing something. That's why music they go anywhere. Arresting my fan won't tear my button. Arresting my fan won't shake me. Whatever you want to do with that fan, do with that fan. When you finish, bring me back my fan. Take fan, go police station, go lock him because he talk about your wife. As they talk about me, my wife there, me I be stick. So sometimes your fans, if you only somebody proper way, so say, hey, which poor person with this? You know even see quarter of life. But they talk bad. Then go waste time, take Land Cruiser, they are sitting inside, them with police, because I want show law. No, make it there. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Why their fans they be harmful like that? Your fans have some of them they see me and they confess. Oh, I mean, if you gay, so yeah, Charlie. If you say your artist, you don't get sense. You understand me? You don't know the job they do. You understand me? In the nonsense defamation things where you go to talk for internet and nonsense. If I say go step on one, if you say go stand, if you say go stand, the money I'm looking for is not about this your cheap nonsense lifestyle you put the look for, and I want to see somebody and I want to. It's nonsense. It's nonsense. You won't face me, you can't face me, and you go you know say you know visit my face one on one. You know say that thing. You know if you do. When you see me tension they catch you, or you know they say tension they catch you. When you see me tension they catch you, because this guy the gang. You know me from. You know. Man, a bad manners are there. I be very bad manners are there. Don't come and be doing things like you want to create something for it to look like. What fear are you putting in the fans? What fear? Weren't you enjoying it when the media people were insulting me for you? Weren't you enjoying it? Didn't you enjoy it? You don't enjoy those things all. As to be your 10, you vex. As to be your 10, you vex. You vex. You vex, see, some fan can talk about your wife. Go and check the internet. The internet doesn't lie. Because see radio station like they know if you play the recording. Go and check the internet. That's why all your people on radio and things, there are publications they do and things. Some that day online, some too, maybe some program, then it pass. If they do the program where it pass, who go listen to that program? Now, thank God for internet. When they do the programs, they record them for internet, make internet pussy. That's why the fans have enough evidence. That's why the fans have enough evidence. Which kind of behavior is this? Where are we taking this to? If you can arrest somebody's fan, what are you trying to prove? As if in my fan way it starts. Foolish boy. This country says, so I don't know how they arrange this country with this country. Do what you see whatever I want to do to Webkid. Do to him. Do to when you finish and go sleep for us. When you sleep, you know boys they hustle for street and sanka. You know what do this nonsense thing you do. See some of your fans, they do hustle, things that they go on for them, and then I go down, go arrest some fan. Then in mother and in parents all go they come and Shatta ye pacho or yes abium ye pacho Shatta the no ude yen forgive na yen ye way na ye pacho akwalano or yes abium or pawacho wati bibia Shatta say unani Stonebwoy and oh, so then some parents then when they come talk, why we care? You know what I mean? Leave the fans alone. The fans will always be fans. Or you know they say footballers they play ball for Accra Sports Stadium. Somebody if you go, where? Asamaja, Samaja, I want to talk me about you know they hear. Go ask Asamaja them. They hear. But Asamaja no go leave the pitch and can't catch the person for the crowd inside. Because that be how fans they move with feelings. Fan, you don't know, say your leg they pay you, that boy you know if you play your fan no. Fan, you don't know, say as you did you the artist, you don't get money today. You don't know. Fan. That be why they are fans. You know educate yourself plenty about I do music for school. Go check Winneba Secondary School. I do serious music theory for school. If I can the practical they in my inside, I think come from heaven. So I know much about music. That's why I fucking play my beats and everything and do everything. You don't even do shit of that. You are not musicians. You are just wannabes. What do you mean? They can't arrest fan. They can't arrest my fan. For what? Make you do what? So say make I go arrest your fan. Hey, Beam Nation fans. If you want to insult. Me, I like it. Do whatever you want to do. If that favors you, if that makes you feel good, do it. Because I don't know most of you, and most of you pick cameras and put it on. Recently, some stupid woman will go there someplace, they insult by you go dash and rice. Stupid. You be very foolish boy. You are a very stupid boy. You be very foolish boy. You and your team, or you be foolish people. Wait there. Somebody insults me, you go dash and rice. If you have sense, a boy. Like if I go take that woman, see that woman, I go to say, may they go arrest them. You go see how many of your family members go come. Oh, we beg you, we beg. But in life, we all learn and grow. One day, that same woman go can't tell you people say, you people lead them astray. One day, that woman go can't tell you people. Say, you people lead them astray. Somebody mother, it did there, maybe they go lie to one about Shatta Wale. So you take camera, you people go dash and rice. Envelope. Charlie. And these are the system they see. Those who they say they do creative art, the minister of something, they already see. They see, but they say, okay, this one is not important. They fun, yeah. You own there, you go report. You go report. Because you get wife. Oh wow. You get kids. Wow. You get family. Wow. Shatta, they live for sea under me and my water. Me, I live with tortoise, crocodile, redfish, tilapia. Me, I live with grass. Sometimes for the sea, like somebody go fish shit toilet. Then if you can pass, I live with toilets, I live with plastic bottle. Something for the sea, me. So I live. So me. I know they part of human being. A boy, see. Sometimes it's very sad for this country. You understand me? The way you people know they feel speak for yourself. That be one problem. You understand me? In Shatta Wale, me, I have to say every time they talk about the truth and nothing but the truth. You understand me? If you people want to judge this nonsense, big nation in the Shatta movement, you people should go and check history. You people should go and check history. Go and check history. Say, who started this thing? But me and Sammy need to do something. No, you can't put your face for inside. Then you won't tell me, say, me and you get problem. But I am more that crowd. Me and Sammy need to do something. You can't put your face for inside. Then you won't tell me what? Hey, mama, we get serious problem where we think about it. We get serious things. You understand me? Sometimes let us be reasonable in our lives. You understand me? Nobody fear anybody for you. The thing they do to me for the industry, nobody give them the same response. And you know they feel them. They see like why they do. I won't make you feel them. Hey, as I come this music, is why me and people can say me and people can do competition. You know, people you start compare me and I be this and I be that and I be doing and I be that. I can't do that thing. I know you're saying me, I said I don't want anything about Ghana music. What Ghana? What's Ghana music? Who they do Shatta movement to the world? You know, see the artists way they feature me. Or you think we came here to come and play? Or you think I came here to come and behave like the way people are behaving? Bro, stop that thing. That thing, it be yawa. It be yawa. Me too, I get feeling so in Kegbomo Jimmy. Aladdin, Game Genie. You know, rich in Kayo Yibini. Eabina, Ene Lamogini. Unwa Jem Fen Brian you. Etuno K Faibu. Namochele, who call you? Akeyeba, me and Shonu Jimmy. Afakmedana phone draw. Ya be ye Germany, Oton. Ole we aboni ni wobo. Kajilala macho near Kumo Ingbo. When you choose street over bow tie. One a lawyer, she can no lie. If I follow them like I go die. So I go follow God and I know Christ. Nessa, me mali alo. Dabi. And what you moko loko alo. Dabi. Me at the look front and no look back. So I say, Yawani. I can boom. I can you bata Yawani. Anything I do, man won't do something. Yeah. You go sit for radio taxi. I go buy Rolls Royce. You go sit for radio. They talk no sense about me left and right. That one, you know, say defamation. Or you know, say, see, foolish boy, make I tell you something. You be foolish boy. You be very foolish boy. So don't see yourself say you get sense. Me, I go buy my Rolls Royce. You know, see, you go pick. I'm a guy in 70. You pick my boys and my car come out. The roses come out. You know see the threatening in the kind body. You won't show your fans say if I buy rules or you go be buy rules. Like you go sit ready top and they talk that nonsense thing they talk. Foolish boy. Very foolish boy. Duke, where you go take the car? Duke, where you go taking car? The roses come on. You see you yawa. Or the best you go buy for them and you know say I know all those things. You go do swapping for them, can't get Benz with my wife they drive. Something they funny. Wife they drive, my wife they drive Benz. That's class. The car they drive, being my wife they drive. But the car you they drive, where they take do like they take. My wife in car, they take drop my kidney for school. My wife in car. Boy. Or if you say we don't get this way, if we want to talk things about you, sometimes man just they won't keep quiet. You know if you buy a car, you go bring somebody in car, come put your house, say you buy the car. You know see the pepper, the situation they give you. Because somebody they buy the car, you go take the car, come put internet up. Right now the person say no go buy the car again. Those your yawa life way they do with their street, you know. Or if it's a house, if I pass me, anything they do for area, they tell me. The yawa, the junction, the Islamic boys for the junction or when they pass the royal glass, you money, you know when because if it's somebody they can't ask you money. Who even want to ask you money? Who even want to ask you money? Who even want to ask you money? And they throw money, you start throw money, right? We're pause here. If you say the thing be small, it be easy. They see yourself say you and me start music. Because the music industry people lie you. Plus radio airplay and award and things. So if you say you mako equal. We fiane. When it being and some within a big nation. Hey, if you say you want fight, now if you say you want defend this thing. You see the way the Nigerians they get sense recently, Potabo and Kataefe, they talk, they won't buy no, they find sponsorship for them. No, shouts to E-Money. E-Money organize and say, oh, with the winner, it go give them 50 million naira. They win. E-Money give the money to Kataefe. Nice like that. If one that thing come, make we meet for stadium. I go beat you, eh? If like come box, I go beat you left and right. If you want that thing, make we take solve the problem. Make you go find sponsor, make you bring $5 million computer. Much I go beat your face and break you. If like organized boxing, if that be how you want make we end this thing. Because they won't fight. Go ask my boys, they go tell you. We will beat you, eh? Well, you ask my boys, say Shatta Wale. Even now where some man grow, you know, sometimes man just no one just pay attention to some things. That's why I always me at the house. Because me I know my heart. Or people you know they say me I know they go club and gatherings and you know they say me my heart they worry me. So I won't say to billionaires, me they calm my heart. Because if I see billionaires, you know, I they listen, because I won't be rich. Yeah, so I they listen. Yeah, I know they won't go in gatherings where some nonsense talking there. My heart they worry me. In those days when we go party they stop. When somebody say nonsense, no, but the party stop, the cake it go peche. Go ask, they go tell you. Organized boxing, if you want make you end this thing where make you say, yeah, I go beat you for stadium. Boxing 1-on-1. Me bupo weni. If you book home, they bomb me for go ask. You know, go check book home James Side, they go tell you. Palma, go ask Akumaji and things. You know, me I stay Akumaji. Go ask, go ask Akumaji, they go tell you. Akumaji said, I'm not sure you know that. Go ask there, they go tell you. We they do sparring. We they when they go check on when they beach and things. We in boxers and things they do sparring. I go beat you, eh? Sorry, watch you. Sorry, see this guy. See, I won't do like me. But I go beat you. No ma saunase. Ona onkra. Me saunase. With nonsense with this. What power you going to show? Me a crap. Me they bought me for. My mother from water region. My mother is from water region. So if you like, we no go organize a crowd, we go organize for water region. I go beat you for your homeland. I go boxing. I go beat you for your homeland. Hard knockouts. You like me to go call Tugby, Jikby, and Tugby. I want me fear. Everybody make us sit down. May they watch a boxing man. I go beat to the contact me kulo, devilo kulo, devilo. If you saw you go to hear for the Mama. You can't do that, you can't do that. They do every day, they want proof for internet. Organize boxing match. If you want to make this thing an organized boxing match and find 5 million put up and call me. I no go train. I just go come there, can't pay. I just go start the can't pay. So that if, you know, say if you see my face, you fear. I want to say if you see me, sometimes something they enter you. Every day I see your demeanor. Don't come and play for you. Don't come and they do the fans like that. Then you go make the beam fans, they feel say, okay, no, I don't want to say. Beam fans, you can talk about Shatta Wale, don't worry. Me, I don't have time to arrest you. Me, I have time to come and attack you like this. Yeah, I mean? Me, I like this one. Yeah, I like it. I don't go waste money for your top. That money, if I give you go take watch your family. That money where I want to go take clear. If I see any beam fan where they insult me, I go take that money, give you, make it take watch family. I go tell you to say, well, like this money, I won't take to you, but Charlie, you know, take manage yourself. You know, you try, Charlie, you try. By the thing, no pick. You know what I mean? You try insult me, yes, and this, by the thing, Charlie, I get money, I buy things. You know what I mean? So, you know, get what I'm saying? That's how the thing should be. But you arresting a fan. You arresting a fan. For what? Arresting a fan in these modern days. Hey! But my fan, they know they arrest them all. Because the fan you go arrest, maybe in brother today, Beam Nation. Or in cousin, they Beam Nation. Or in family, some of them, they support Beam Nation. You go lose them. You go lose them. Don't think, say, the guy, a Webkid go arrest, maybe in family, he in the support Shatta movement. The rest, maybe they support Beam Nation. But you've put the family into a serious situation where they'll see you like you're a stupid boy. You're a very stupid boy. Yeah, you know this one wicked. But why? Webkid, if we go sell, not go die. You go court, you go come, you go to court, judge go talk. Okay, baby, they give you bail. Okay, make you sign bond. Finish. You don't kill anybody. You understand me? So you have not done anything. You know how many Americans go check when a brother split the America, they jail. They don't die. So if you think say you go take that thing, put like a humbi in their fans. Hey, those people, those boys where they go, they gather themselves for TikTok and things, and they do Beam Nation people where they enter like that your guy where you got forgetting is they enter in page, you know, they enter they go fight them. Hey, we don't know something they only because who school crab the bear benku. If you people where they use, I'm a graduate, graduate we don't get sense. I don't see graduate like that. Charlie, so guys this life. Hey, Charlie.